We're in this 2005 Accord TL, and what I want you to look at is the temperature. So this is the discharge temperature on the compressor. Now remember, I tell you, cycling clutch switches do not always save your compressor and turn it off. Because there was 49 psi of pressure, of vapor only, no liquid refrigerant, it allows this compressor to keep running. So this is the discharge temperature out of the compressor. And I'm at idle. Let me see if anything happens when I take it off idle. Let's get up there somewhere between 15 and 2,000 RPMs. Let's see if I can focus in. Come on. Go up, go up. Okay, now this would be like we're cruising down 25 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour, going down the road with the compressor spinning up, and you'll see this start to climb. Right now in this operation, when the customer was on defrost and they don't know it, or they're trying to use their AC, they're slow, and this is a cold day. It's only like 61, 63 degrees outside right now. 175 degrees is what the discharge temperature, and the compressor core and the pistons are starving for oil right now. All the oil is leaving the compressor and is getting trapped up in the evaporator and builds up in the evaporator. Then when this compressor burns out, a technician who doesn't read and doesn't know, or reads minimum and doesn't understand, because detailed instructions are not in compressors, that when he goes to drain out oil out of this compressor, it will show no oil. He'll pour it out and no oil will come out. Maybe 1 or 2 drops, that's it. And the instructions will say, you read the balancing programs, that if it comes without oil, you need to add 2 ounces or 3 ounces. It depends on the manufacturer. But no, in this case, all the oil is up in the evaporator. And the technician or the do-it-yourself person grabs this compressor. He throws it on the vehicle, and the compressor might say it contains all the refrigerant oil that is needed for the whole system. So if the whole system needed 4 ounces, there's 4 ounces inside that brand new compressor. But the customer or the technician did not know that all 4 ounces from the old compressor and system are entirely trapped up inside the evaporator. So now you have 8 ounces of refrigerant in the whole system, and they're wondering why there's cooling problems, maybe a vibration or a humming or a harmonics noise because of the high compression, because it's trying to, I'm going to say this and piss people off, trying to compress a solid. Yes, a liquid is a solid. Let's not get technical on the physics here. But okay, it's a liquid, but can you compress water inside your cylinder in your engine? Go ahead and try that. Oh, look, we're up to 191 degrees. So I'm several inches away from the compressor right now. Whatever this temperature is, the inner core at the compressor and at the cylinder walls and everything on the oil film is roughly 50 to 75 degrees hotter than what shows here. So we're approaching 260 degrees or so of surface temperature. This is approaching the oil breakdown and burn down point right now. And this is a cold day with no heat load. So you can imagine, this is how customers destroy their cars, destroy their compressors, by continually driving them low on refrigerant. They don't know this. And usually the mechanics don't know this. And the mechanic says, oh, I'll just keep refilling you up every time you go down. That is the cause of compressor burnouts. If you don't starve the compressor for oil and cool refrigerant back, they don't burn out. All right, I'll come back to you. We're in this TL. This is going to be a multiple video series. So you got to search for the ones before this video and search for the ones after. See you guys on the next video.